Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This will be just a quick tech video for 2004 Toyota Sienna with a V6 3MZ-FE starter replacement. And it will be just a hint or how to, but mainly the reason I'm filming it is to encourage everybody to do it themselves. It's extremely easy in my opinion if you just have simple tools. So here is the starter. I just removed it. I'm replacing starter and the battery. The customer made clear decision due to the age and the testing results. Customer said not only starter but also the battery. Now, it's not how to, but I want to encourage you, because when you open the hood and look underneath it, you might think, oh my god, this starter, it's buried so deep, there's no way I can deal with it. But it's the opposite. If you just follow those very simple steps, and you can see here, I removed this plastic intake. These are 10mm bolts. Then you remove the top of the airbox. Show it this way. That's also two 10mm bolts. Then you have a vision of this. It's another three 10mm bolts. That was connected to this plastic. This is the tray underneath the battery. Obviously, anytime you're replacing the starter, you have to disconnect the battery, because that goes direct positive from the battery. There was supporting bracket, and basically there are these few bolts, 14mm holding the starter. It's so easy. And why is it easy? Well, because you follow advice of the master techs, and it's not, you will be not trying to reach down there when the battery is sitting here, when the intake box is sitting here. No, you do the opposite. Anything what is in your way, you remove it, because it's way quicker to remove all these parts. It goes really fast than trying to fish out that starter from there while all these parts are here. It's absolute mistake. And I learned it a million years ago from the master tech at Toyota. He was watching me struggling, doing something, I forgot, it doesn't matter. He said, what are you doing? What are you doing? Move these things right here. And I believe it was an intake on Tacoma. The box sits right here. He said, it will take you less than 1 minute with all the bolts. Take it really quickly out, and then you have access of whatever you are trying to do. So the same is here. You can see the whole thing, super easy. The starter is small, it looks like original Denso at, what's the mileage? Let me go check. It lasted 180,000 miles and 20 years. It just intermittently started giving up. And unfortunately the customer kept pushing it further and further, and they end up towing it here. Only after that you can see the marks still. When I wanted started and moving here, I had to take that metal piece and tap on it, on this part, and of course it started again for me to be able to move it here and replace it. So yeah, try encourage everybody. You can do it yourself. You need only few tools, and it's pretty easy. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya.